Yes, people. That's so it rain in Belize. It rain cats and dogs. And the street don't get flood. In a 15 minutes time. Yeah, man. So, the virgin give me a poem. How the poem about the rain?
Little drops of water, little grains of sun, make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land.
That's right?
That's right.
What learn a poem there?
For school days.
For school days?
Yeah,
how old is that? How old is that?
72 right now.
Years?
Serious?
You are 72 years old, pa?
Yes, I am.
Man, you are good looking 72 because you was born 72. Ben up.
1947.
1947 a born?
Yes.
And you have always lived in Belize?
Always lived in Belize. I travel somewhere, always lived in Belize.
Where are some of the places you have trouble?
California, New York, Jamaica. I ran
Jamaica one time? What kind of work you used to do in your days?
I used to drive.
Driver?
For the British Force, Army.
Oh, for bad sub?
Yes.
Okay, so you're a driver?
Yep.
Yes, man. And 72 years old?
Yes.
And still good, no pain?
No pain, so for thank God.
What is the secret to looking good at 72 years old?
Well, you have to try to keep your health then, right? When I say like that, you do the things where really want to get you active then, right? You do a lot of walking, will help a lot.
Walking?
Exercise.
Well, I don't like walk.
Exercise, I know that.
I want to take your advice.
Yeah, man, seriously.
Yeah. So we have heavy rain in Belize City right now, folks. Stopping up. Right. Watch there. I tell you. Plenty rain. The farmers need it, like we said, no?
Yes, man.
The farmers need the rain.
Yes, seriously.
And then you got the people anyway live the village and need it for their vat.
True.
So we can't complain. Yes, man. So like how you retire now, what you do for yourself?
No, well, I get the pension and that's all. I live off.
Oh, you live off for your pension?
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, I got the wife too. She was a school teacher as well and she retired too as well. Both of us.
So both of us, both are under pensioners?
Right.
Alright.
I used to drive for the British Force.
Yeah. How long you work with the British Forces?
27 years.
27 years?
Yeah.
Where you start working in?
That's our 19 what?
That's all I can remember.
I tell you the truth, I'll not got it.
Yeah.
I got it right into
What I mean the best thing about working for the British Forces?
Well, they say I do 24 and then give me 48 off, right? I used to drive for them.
Yeah. What I mean the best thing to work for them?
Well, I need to say they had other jobs then, right? But that's the one I choose. What I could have done then, right?
You mean like that one there?
Driving there. I do 24 and then give me 48 off.
Alright.
3 of us, it's a shift of 3.
Yeah. Yes, man.
Yeah. Well, the wife was a school teacher. She retired now.
What part does teach?
Martins used to, what's the school? Why? Martins and used to teach science.
So, you teach anybody famous in Belize? Anybody with a big time in Belize now? A woman?
Well, I wouldn't.
You don't know?
No, I wouldn't.
Okay, because I know sometimes teachers, they teach children who are turn up to be very influential people, I believe.
Well, yeah, so yes.
Yeah.
That was professional.
But she may love it teaching.
Yeah.
How old wife now?
She was 68.
68. Yeah, man. I want to married? Married or come along? How much years now married?
28 years.
28 years.
Yeah.
Alright.
She was a school teacher. She used to teach St. Martin.
Martin?
Yeah.
Yes, man. You have kids?
Yes.
How much kids?
2. One doctor, Dr. Jones.
So,
You know him?
Dr. Jones. The Belizer or foreign?
Yes, he's right, I believe that now.
The fan he the doctor in?
By hospital, is that right now?
The son?
Yeah.
Enough respect, respect.
My wife was a school teacher too as well, Veronica. Usher, she was Usher.
So, just one your son a doctor, how the other one name? What do they do?
Only one son has.
Only one son?
Yes.
And the son a doctor?
Yes.
I'm proud of you, man. That's why you look so good.
Well, as I said,
your son to take care of you?
I'll make sure they get the education.
Yes, man. And you feel proud as a father if you know you got a son who has been doing good, get education, and know you're a doctor to serve the country, I believe.
True.
Proud of you, man.
The mother was a school teacher too as well before she retired. She was Veronica Jones. I mean, Usher. Then he married Miss Jones.
Jones?
Yeah.
Yes, man.
I don't know if you know Michael.
I'm not
Usher?
sure. Michael Usher? I'm not sure.
No. That's one my brother. Thomas, one, Junior and one, but they're abroad right now.
Okay. So folks, I'm here talking with Mr. Jones. Right, Mr. Jones?
Respect.
The man recites a poem for me. I tell him, man, I want to video that poem there. And then we do a lead talking while we shelter from this rain. You know this is a rain or the ease up at all. What is sweet? What I done almost across the street already, you know? Almost on the across the street already. They by Kong Shelby here at the shelter from rain. Yeah. Alright, Mr. Jones, respect, pa.
Respect the brother.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Bless.